Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and that Zarchiver has permission to manage files. Tap the app, go to Permissions, and grant storage or files and media access. Once done, open Zarchiver and accept the SAF prompt. Select the specific folder or root you need. This gives Zarchiver explicit access without relying on legacy APIs. Make sure to pick the exact directory you plan to extract or write to, because broader access prevents repeated denials and avoids accidental writes to protected system paths. Next, you verify the archive and choose a safe target folder. Use Zarchiver's test or open to confirm the archive isn't corrupted, then change the extraction path to internal storage or the SAF-mounted folder you granted. If access is denied persists, adjust file permissions. Either move the archive to a non-protected directory or use a file manager that supports SAF or root to change ownership. This solves permission mismatches. You're ensuring the app writes where the system allows it, not where protections block it. To finish, restart Zarchiver, and if needed, reboot your device so the permission state refreshes. Then attempt extraction again into the SAF-selected folder. If problems continue, clear Zarchiver's cache or reinstall to reset its permission requests. Make sure you don't rely on legacy external SD mounts. Re-grant the SAF folder access explicitly if you see access is denied. This single step often fixes lingering denial issues. If all else fails, move the file temporarily to internal storage and retry
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.